See, and I just flushed it, and it's getting wet. So the first thing I notice is this isn't compressed. And I don't think there's another one. Let's look. And there's not another ring stuck to the bottom here, so that's not even compressed. Because look how the flange is about an inch below the tile here, so that's no good. These bolts are loose. Replace those. Okay, so I'm not going to use these because I siliconed it and I put it on there, and it's just not, it's not fitting snug, and it's going to end up leaking right through here eventually. So I'm not going to go that route. But I got my guy downstairs opening up the wall. Right there. So we're gonna try this. I've had really good luck with this for low flanges, and I think that will actually solve the problem because this flange is in really good condition. So I'm gonna set the toilet with this, and then we'll flush it a few times. All right, test flush. If I pull on this, will that be bad news?
Wait, if it breaks? I want to do it in like with precision. So that it might cut it. It might.
Oh, there I see it. I see it right there. Okay. All right. All right.
I thought some water fell on you.
No, that fixed it. All right, you ready? All right, that fixed it. So, for some reason, get a call back. We'll use a twist and set flange, and that for sure will solve it. But this is, I'm confident that this solved it. One last thing. Knipex bolt cutters. Just got these. I hate trying to saw those off. So I read that these cut the closet bolts really well. So let's give it a shot. What do you say? Oh, perfect. Dude, that cuts them so well. Boom. That's how they were.